Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to unbox Xiaomi's Mi Band 3. Here there is a Mi logo on the top, and guys, I think this is new model box for the Xiaomi because we can see through the watch dial itself on it. On the previous models like Mi Band 2, you will not be able to see. This is the Mi Band 2. The box is little bit bigger than the Mi Band 3. Guys, this is not a glass cover, this is like some plastic cover on the top. Okay, let's keep it aside. Okay guys, now let's start unboxing it and see what else we get in the box on the Mi Band 3. Okay, this plastic cover cannot be removed. Let's raise. Here comes the Mi Band. Here comes the watch dial on the top. Here. Let's keep it aside and see what else we get. Here comes the band for this dial. And Mi Band 3's user manual on it. This is the user manual and installation guys. Also it comes with a QR code which we should scan it on our phone and download the app and register the band to Mi Fit app. And here comes the charging cable for the Mi Band 3. Also this looks some wider guys from the previous version of Mi Band 2. Because the style of the dial has changed from the previous one. I hope there is nothing inside this one. Let's keep the box aside, and we don't need this installation guide or something else. Okay guys, let's take the band from the cover. Guys, I think it weighs something higher than the Mi Band 2 because it is larger, and also it has a larger display now than the Mi Band 2. And guys, this display is a touchscreen display. The Mi Band 2 has a touch button here, and this is a touchscreen display guys. You can access it pretty much good and easily. Okay, on the Mi Band 2, guys, on the Mi Band 2, we should put this dial from the bottom. On this Mi Band 3, we should put this dial from the top and click it like this. Okay guys, also Mi Band 3 is fully waterproof up to 50 meters. 1.78 or 1.73 inch of OLED screen on it, and it is fully touch. Guys, Mi Band 3 is touch screen. It has a touch screen. You can swipe left, right, and it is easy to access it because the Mi Band 2 has a touch button here. We should always touch and enter to the menus. Now the touch screen is pretty much good. Okay guys, let's pair it to the mobile phone and see how it works. Okay guys, fire up the Mi Fit app on your mobile phone. Okay guys, fire up the Mi Fit app on your mobile phone. Guys, once you click on the display itself, you can see that the Mi Band says that pair device first. Guys, make sure you turn on the Bluetooth because the Mi Band connects to your mobile phone through Bluetooth. You click on the pair devices and click on band, and it starts searching for the band. So guys, make sure that keep this band near the mobile phone while you pair it. and now it asks for tap the button. Okay, once you tap it, it starts pairing automatically. Yes guys, the Mi Band is paired successfully, and now you guys can see the time and the battery level and date on the watch screen. Okay guys, to now the Mi Band app, the Mi Fit app shows you how to use the band. It says that swipe to switch between items. Okay guys, there is a small switch like thing here on the Mi Band. You should start swiping like from that, from the watch face, like time. You can see the steps count. First it comes with the steps, and then it comes with the heart rate measures guys. Once it start measuring guys, to start the heart rate measuring, please press and hold this, and it starts measuring with the green light on the back. This is a heart rate sensor guys. There also the Mi logo is on here. The Mi logo on the band is placed on the back side of the dial. Okay, now it's measuring my heart rate. It is going to show nothing is going to be fine guys. It also vibrates, yes. First steps, and then heart rate, and then guys today's temperature, like it shows 31 degree with clear skies. Also guys, it says when you're going to start exercising, you should also press and hold this 3 2 1. Yes, it has started exercising. Like you can start the timer. Next thing is the notification. As you can get, once the Mi Band is connected to it, once the Mi Band is connected to your mobile, you can get the notifications like call notification with name guys. The Mi Band will show the name of the person which you have saved on your contacts who is calling. Also guys, you can see the messages and you can read the message, but the one thing is you cannot do through messages is like you cannot reply for the messages. You can answer the calls and reject the calls from the Mi Band, and you cannot make the call from the Mi Band. And you can see the person who is calling you, and it will display the number and name of the person. If the name is not saved in your phone, then it will show the number. If the name is saved, then it will show the name and the number of the person. And also guys, you can get notifications like Instagram notifications as you wear it. Guys, the band feels very light on my hand, and the finish of the band is matte finish guys. Yes, it feels light and it is not hard. Mi Band 3 is connected to my mobile phone and is syncing the data, as I'm not used anything right now and there is no steps count here, so it is not going to show anything. This is from the, and guys, this is from my previous Mi Band 2 data, like workout time. And guys, Mi Bands are good at sleep tracking guys. I think they are accurate or something near accurate. Charge your band guys. I think the battery on the band is low, as now only I have unboxed it and I have not charged it. We should charge it first. Okay, it says that charge your band, make sure the battery level is more than 10% for update. Guys, I think there is an update for the band. Once you connect to your Mi Fit app, the band will automatically update. Okay guys, the battery percentage is 1%. Incoming calls, event reminders, alarm. Guys, you can also set an alarm on this band which will not produce sound and it will vibrate on your hand. App alerts, idle alerts guys. Idle alerts, this is good for people like me, because if you're going to sit in the same place for more than 2 hours or 1 hour, it will start vibrating and shows a picture like a person want to stand from the chair and start walking some steps. Okay guys, incoming messages like do not disturb, goal notifications, you can set goals. It's like for walking, find band. Okay guys, that's it. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button on the bottom of the video, and if you have any suggestions, please comment down below on the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe for this channel for more videos. Bye.